In this video, we're looking at sound, noise, and silence. In our world, there's a lot of sound. They have different frequencies, and they also have vibrations that travel and reach our ears. There are sounds that create an effect, either making us feel happy or sad, creating an association inside our mind that gives us this feeling, gives us this reaction. That we either like or dislike. But this is not the best way to look at sound. In my case, I dislike the sound of the ambulance, the sound of the jackhammer, the sound of a gun, only because they had been associated inside my mind to something that equals death or sickness or something like that. Silence can have a positive association, like someone closing the door when there's noise outside. But silence can also mean loneliness or aloneness, which will then give us another set of reactions. One that is associated to being alone and being bored, etc. But the real thing that we're missing when we do these things is that the world is full of sound, and that whatever it is, be it silence or noise or a music that pleases us, or a music that we do not like, we can just see it as what it is. A certain sound with a certain pitch, with a certain tone, with a certain quality, with a certain tone, quality, pitch, without judging it, just embracing the whole scale, the whole sound scale, the whole tone scale, the whole repertoire, without judgment. And that we can stand as the source of sound and be stable within that, whether in the midst of the noise or in the midst of or in silence. We find that stillness that is us, the same stillness that exists within us, the same stillness that can be the source of sound.